I made a playlist ranking all my tutorials based on a difficulty level. You can go through them to become a yo-yo master. Plus, I also have left-handed versions also included in there. Link down in the description. So this trick took me almost a month to learn. So if you could share this with someone, you have to drop a like. Very much appreciated. Also, I wanted to say a big thanks to Behemoth as well. Behemoth, thank you very much for the one-off donation. Yeah, and if I have a Ko-Fi if you want to help support me and all that. Good. All right, cool. Bye-bye. Thank you.